Respectfully welcome you all. Now I request all the dignitaries to light the lamp to kickstart the program with the God's blessings.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छामि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Prayer, the world's greatest wireless connection to God. We would like to offer our prayer to Goddess Telugu, Ma Telugu Talli. Ma Telugu Talli is a state anthem for Andhra Pradesh, one of the 28 states of Republic of India. The Telugu Talli is portrayed as a symbol of Telugu people. Many schools and government events starts with this song showing respect to the Telugu language.
మా తెలుగు తల్లికి మల్లెపూదండ మా కన్న తల్లికి మంగళారతులు శక్తి మల్లమ్మ పతి భక్తి తిమ్మారు సుధీయుక్తి కృష్ణరాయల కీర్తి మా చెవుల రింగుమని మారు మ్రోగేదాకా నీ ఆటలే ఆడుతా నీ పాటలే పాడుతా జై తెలుగు తల్లి జై తెలుగు తల్లి జై తెలుగు తల్లి.
It's my great privilege to introduce our college to the radio community. Gokula Krishna College of Engineering is approved by AICTE New Delhi and also affiliated to JNTU Anantapur. Our college was established in the year 2001 with an initial intake of 180 students. For the past 19 years, it is their sustained hard work and dedication that has carved on the niche in the field of engineering education. Now we have more than 1,000 students studying in various disciplines. Our college is located at 23 kilometers away from the Rocket Town Sulurpet behind RTC depot, and our college spread over 30 acres land with an excellent environment and a good infrastructure on the bank of NH5 and also facilitating easy access towards Nellore and Chennai. The teachers are well qualified and many are gold medal holders in their branches and all are dedicated. The food is very good. The discipline is unparalleled and this creates an educational ambience in the midst of greenery unequaled. The college infrastructure, staff, lab facilities, amenities and the ambience and finally the placement record draws the children and parents to our institution. Our college honorable founders and the pillars of our college are our college president Sri G. Brahmaya Garu, Secretary Sri M.M. Kondaya Garu and Treasurer Sri C. Srinivasa Baba Garu. Our college administrative officer is Sri G. Manohar Garu.
Gokula Krishna Group of Institutions, Engineering, Polytechnic and Pharmacy. Amazing environment, awesome infrastructure, well-qualified and experienced faculty, modern laboratories and workshops, digital library, transport facility, seminar hall, hygienic canteen, separate hostel for boys and girls, sports and extracurricular activities. Our recruitment process is going on aiming for 100% placement. Courses offered in engineering, BTech, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Civil Engineering, MTech, Digital Electronics and Communication System, Computer Science Engineering, Power Electronics, Machine Design, MBA and MCA. Courses offered in Polytechnic, Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering. Courses offered in Pharmacy, B.Pharm, Bachelor in Pharmacy, M.Pharm, Pharmaceutics, Pharmacology. Gokula Krishna Group of Institutions, Engineering, Polytechnic and Pharmacy. Behind RTC Depot, Sulurpeta, SPSR Nellore District, Andhra Pradesh.
Now let's release our GKC Campus Radio logo. Now let's see our GKC Campus Radio team's introduction.
Our campus radio will be functioning with these teams. The first team is Creative Team. The team members of Creative Team are A. Suma, C. Dilip, Y. Vamsi Krishna, Y. Swati, M. Lakshmi Prasanna, V. Gokul, T. Satish. And the next one is Radio Jockey Team. The team members of Radio Jockey Team are C.H. Bindu Priya, P. Divya, D. Mahesh, Y. Vamsi Krishna, C.H. Sumya, K. Suma, K. Ashrita, J. Sai Pavan. The next one is Schedule Team. The team members of Schedule Team are D. Dinesh, Y. Manasa, K. Varalakshmi, K. Chandni. And the next one is Graphic Designing Team. The team members of Graphic Designing Team are K. Akash, V. Sai Satya, P. Sai Rohit, M. Kavya, V. Pavanchand, B. Lakshmi, S. K. Nauzia Sultana. And the next one is e-publicity team. The team members of e-publicity team are S.K. Reshma and Anupa, K. Ajit, V. Jahnavi, S. Monica, A. Sai Geeta. And the next one is audio editing team. The team members of audio editing team are P. Vedita, P. Nishita, Y. Anil, M. Aparna, M. Deepthi, M. Pragati, D. Chandu. And the next one is technical team. The team members of technical team are D. Mahesh, M. Manoj Kumar, K. Varamma, B. Manisha, K. Revati, C. H. Shashikumar, M. Rajashekhar. And the final team is drafting team. The team members of drafting team are G. Venkatramana Reddy, B. Malati, S. Vani, S. Veta, M. Sureka, T. Satish.
Now my co-host Bindu will continue. Bindu, the stage is yours.
Okay, Divya, thank you. Now, I would like to invite the coordinator of GKC Campus Radio, Mr. Rajesh, Assistant Professor, to give introductory message.
Mr. Rajesh, you please unmute yourself. Mr. Rajesh?
Madam, Rajesh is not there on the participants list, madam.
Yeah, he is there, sir, but he is not able to speak. Okay, we will go ahead, sir.
Thank you so much for your valuable message. I would like to invite our principal of GKCE to address the gathering.
A very good morning to all
Madam,
of you.
good morning, madam.
At the outset, on behalf of our management,
Good morning,
I would
madam.
like to convey my greetings
Good morning, sir.
and congratulate all dedicated minds behind bringing
Good
the
morning, madam.
GKC Campus Radio into action with the caption Technology on Air. Really, all of you together being at a remote location of the nation made our institution feel proud through your efforts even in this crisis COVID-19 period. So coming to the application part of our GKC Campus Radio, I think I need not to explain in detail because all of you might have gone through the inaugural message by this time, isn't it? So at this moment, I would like to recall my memories of my school days when I used to listen to All India Radio from Vande Mataram followed by Sukti Muktavali, then Patriot songs and then national news in English at 6 o'clock in the morning. So even now whenever I really feel tired or get some angry upon my family members, instead of shouting at them, I will go to my bed and switch on my radio to get relaxed. So this is what my relation with radio of my experience of my age, isn't it? Nowadays technology have gone beyond the conventional way. So now your young minds are giving a new definition to radio that can also be used as a tool to find remedial paths to utilize it in a modern way to fulfill the need of the hour. To be frank, with almost no support from our side and a little bit of resources that you got at this point of time, you made it happen. So I would like to thank our HOD ECE department, Gnanpriya madam, for including my involvement in bringing up this into action. Otherwise, I had done nothing to this. Okay. It is all your active participation, beginning from the President, Gnanpriya Madam, Faculty Coordinator Rajesh, ECE Department, and all team members, wise like Creative Team, RJ Team.
ఎందుకే లాగిన్ అవ్వలేదా? అందరికి ఇన్విటేషన్ లింక్ పంపించారా?
ట్రై చేయను సార్. నేను ఆల్రెడీ వేరే వెబినార్ లో
ఏం వెబినార్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాలేజీ
నేను కాదట్లా. నేను మీరు అనుకున్నాను నేను ఆల్రెడీ 2 days
నేను అంటున్నా కాదు, అక్కడ కాదు బాబా సార్ అటెండ్ అయ్యాడు. నీకు అంత సీరియస్ బిజినెస్ అని అనుకుంటాడు. అందరూ
the family of GKC to be recognized for the rest of the years ahead to come. It is my responsibility to pay my sincere gratitude to the masterminds of Unify Online Campus Radio Network for their social consciousness and support provided to us. So from the deep of my heart, I wish this GKC Campus Radio will expand and explore many more dimensions than those objectives that have been mentioned in the inaugural message. So I once again thank all of you for making me a part of this GKC Campus Radio mission. Thanking you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your presence in the event and sharing your views, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, do we have Pavan sir, in this meeting?
Now I would like to invite the Dean, sir, to address the gathering.
Welcome to GKC Campus Radio. Good morning to one and all. Honorable Management and Principal Sir, respective Administrative Officer, various departmental HODs, Convener of this program, Srimati M. Gnanapriya Madam, HOD, EC Department, Coordinator of this program, Mr. Rajesh, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Faculty of ECE and other departments, and dear students. Today, I would like to share a few words on the occasion of launching GKCE Campus Radio. Unify Online Campus Radio network features or advantages are panel discussion, career guidance and preparation for competitive exams, anti-ragging meetings, anti-ragging awareness building campaigns, social awareness programs, clubs of the colleges such as language club, mathematics club, sports club and cultural clubs. College announcements will be made regarding examination schedule, placement schedule, guest lectures, classes, faculty developmental programs, workshops, short-term training programs, conferences, and any other upcoming events in the college. So, GKCE Campus Radio is having many features. This GKCE Campus Radio is also termed as Smart GKCE Campus Radio or Student Radio or College Radio. I hope this event to become a grand success. I am very glad for getting this opportunity to one and all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you for your honorable words, sir. Now I would like to invite the head of the ECE department, Mistress M. Gnanapriya ma'am, to address the gathering.
Honorable Principal of Gokula Krishna College of Engineering, Dr. M. Suresh Garu, respected Principal of Gokula Krishna College of Pharmacy, Dr. Pavan Garu, beloved Vice Principal, Dr. G. Chenjukrishnaya Garu, Administrative Officer, Shri Manohar Garu, heads of various departments, faculty, dear GKCE Campus Radio crew, and my dear radio listeners, good morning to you all. The power of radio is not that it speaks to millions, but that it does speak intimately and privately each one of those millions. The powerful media TV gives everyone an image, but radio gives birth to a million images in a million brains. I'm very proud to be the part of this GKCE campus radio family. Today onwards, you all can share your thoughts on air to reach the hearts of the entire world. First of all, I would like to thank Unify team who has provided proper training to more than 50 student volunteers from various departments and offer us credentials to run the GKCE campus radio. They shared their server without charging anything, only to help students community to get proper communication and online classes during this lockdown period. Hats off to Unify team for their social responsibility. I also have attended all training sessions which were very interactive and students friendly. They clarified the doubts of students then and there. They tries to reduce the gap between industry and institutions. Once again, I convey my heartfelt thanks to Unify team. One question is there in all minds. Conducting radio program is a challenging work. Do the students really require? To answer this, I want to share one thing. Last year, by this time, I was in Japan, the land of rising sun. We visited my brother's family who got settled in Japan. No one is idle there and chit-chatting. I didn't see anybody chit-chatting idly. I wondered by seeing their activeness. They keep on moving. They're very active. And what is the secret behind their activeness? I wanted to know. There I came to know that the secret is their food habit. Fish is the primary food of Japanese. In one restaurant, I inquired how the fish is always fresh and tasty. Of course, I don't know their language. My brother translated my conversation into Japanese language. They narrated this. Earlier, fishermen went very farther in sea and caught fish. It took few days to return to seashore. All fish were tired when they reached shore. The Japanese did not like the taste of dead fish, so they thought how to keep it fresh until they returned. Then they installed freezers on their boats. They caught fish and freeze immediately. But Japanese didn't like the taste of frozen fish. So they deeply analyzed and installed fish tanks on their boats. They caught the fish and stuffed them in the tanks fin to fin. After a little thrashing around, the fish stopped moving. They were tired and dull, but still alive. Unfortunately, the Japanese didn't like the taste of sluggish fish. They need fresh, but not sluggish. Then they innovated. They caught the fish and put it in the same tank, but now they added one shark in each tank. What happened? Though the shark eats few fish, the remaining were always moving to get escape from the shark. Now at the shore, all fish were alive and fresh. What is the moral behind this? The fish is like our brain. Sharks are the challenges in life. Unless you have challenge in your life, your brain will not be active. To keep yourself active, you have to face challenges. We really want to keep our students' brain active always. The start, what we have used here is GKC Campus Radio. Now the challenge is yours. So whether do they really require the challenge? Yes, they require to keep their brain active. So I have 100% confidence and faith on my students. They will make it a very grand success. As you all know, success is not the destination, it's a journey. Do continue your success journey. Only one message I want to tell to the team. As a student, you are allowed to commit mistake. You are allowed to commit mistakes. But as a responsible radio team member, you are not supposed to do so. Do have social responsibilities when you share anything on air. Because after broadcasting, you cannot get it back. You are advised to conduct many social awareness programs, and we have given the caption, Technology on Air to the Radio. As a radio by the students to the society, it must be different compared to other commercial radios. You share your innovative engineering ideas and serve the society. Do share online classes so that other college students also will be benefited. On this occasion, I would like to thank our management for their continuous encouragement and constant support in bringing out all our new ideas and thoughts. I wish the radio team to get succeeded in making technology on air. All the best. Thank you.
sorry, one small announcement, sir. Zoom will allow us to have meeting for only 40 minutes. Now it is running out of time, like only 2 minutes we have. So I'll end the program and again I'll start it. You call, please. You're requested to rejoin, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sir? Sir, can I end the meeting, sir? So rejoin the meeting.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Who has taken the initiative to do all these things? It's a really innovative thing. Yeah, personally, I feel that this helps to develop network among students and staff, between students and the staff. Several things could be done with minimum expenditure. I hope this will reach to highest standards and the participants will be acting more professionally, and I wish all of them a grand success and a bright future. Thank you very much for inviting me to this. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Actually,
I have not seen Mr. Rajesh. Mr. Rajesh, you have called him first.
Rajesh.
Madam,
Mr.
have
Rajesh.
he joined, madam?
Oh, I think he didn't join again, sir. Actually, before he was there, but some network issues are there. I think.
Make a call to him, madam. Then
Yes, sir.
Call.
Yes, sir. I will. 1 minute.
Okay, right. Anyway, all the best. With your permission, shall I leave the meeting?
Sir, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for
Thank you.
participating in this
Thank you.
activity.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir Prakash, are you there? So we will 2 minutes. We will wait for Prakash, sir. Sir, you please come and join. We are waiting for you. Yes, sir.
Minus.
You inform somebody coordinator Mahesh. Mahesh, you inform to Sir Rajesh sir to join.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Actually, I asked him to record and give, sir. He said, no, I'll come on live. He said. That is the problem. If he has recorded, then there will not be any problem.
Maybe he is not having good net connectivity.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, Prakash, sir.
Madam, continue the.
Hi, this is S. Prakash, HOD of EEE Department. Respected management, respected principal sir, and your sir, and various department HODs, and faculty members, and my dear students. Good morning to all. So, first I congratulate on GKC radio team members. And what is campus radio? Campus radio introduced the new aspects of using radio for college audience, as well as allows the students to showcase their talents during free hours of the college that in turn help them in exhibiting their skills and get encouraged. So these are campus radio. Campus radio station representing student community voice. So specially congrats about the EC department HOD Mr. and Mrs. Jnanapriya Madam Garu, and thank you for all.
Thanks for your auspicious time to share your views and ideas, sir. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to invite the head of the mechanical department, Mr. Sudarshan Rao, sir, to address the gathering.
Respected management of GKC, respected principal, respected HODs of all departments, respected EAO, respected faculty of various departments, and my dear students, good morning to all. I, B. Sudarshan Rao, HOD, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today, I would like to share few things regarding campus radio. Campus radio is also known as college radio, is also known as student radio, is a media programming maybe exclusively by students of ECE, in which students communicate information regarding education.
Thank you so much for sharing your valuable words.
So one small correction, sir. It is not only done by EC students, total college students. That's what I interacted with you actually.
Madam, since there was no mechanical faculty in the team, he might have thought that.
Yes, actually all students are.
Two people they have joined. Initially, we made all departments to participate in it.
Sir,
Madam.
yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
later
All
on, they
students
left.
are there.
Now, openly, we are inviting all other departments to participate in the future activities of this campus
Sir,
radio.
equally they are
And
there.
not-
Actually,
Yes, equally they are there, and their involvement is very much required, and they have to participate.
yes, sir. The CSE students are doing excellent, and the coordinators, student coordinators from EEE students.
Coordinators.
Yes, sir. Mahesh is from EEE actually. So all the students are and one student Ajit from mechanical, and he is also doing
Ajit
good.
mechanical, yes, ma'am.
All the students are participating, sir. Yeah, that's what
why
I
the
got.
header itself is GKC campus radio.
Campus
not
radio,
department
that's a
radio,
lot
campus
depart-
radio. Yes.
Respected
Thank you so much for
management
sharing your
GKC,
valuable words, sir. Thank you.
respected principal, respected HODs of all departments, respected EAO, respected faculty of various departments, and reduce their goal reaching time. And finally, I would like to congratulate Jnanapriya Madam Garu, HOD, Department of ECE, by launching of this campus radio in GKCE. And also, I would like to congratulate to ECE faculty and students who are the part of this program directly or indirectly. Thank you.
So Chandrasekhar sir is available, sir. Do we have Chandrasekhar sir?
I will check.
Now let us see the cultural activities to add more josh to our program. Classical dance by Miss Bindu and Manaswini.
Thank you.
गुणगणातीताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय
Now let us see the mimicry by Mr. Chandu, exclusively prepared for this inauguration.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. లాక్డౌన్ గురించి ఇంట్లోనే ఉండండి అని ఇంతకుముందు కొంతమంది సెలబ్రిటీలు చెప్పారు. ఇప్పుడు కొంతమంది సెలబ్రిటీలు ఇంట్లో ఉండకుండా బయటికి వెళితే తీసుకోవాల్సిన గురించి ఇంట్లోనే ఉండండి అని ఇంతకుముందు కొంతమంది సెలబ్రిటీలు చెప్పారు. ఇప్పుడు కొంతమంది సెలబ్రిటీలు ఇంట్లో ఉండకుండా బయటికి వెళితే తీసుకోవాల్సిన జాగ్రత్తల గురించి చెప్తే ఎలా ఉంటుందో చేసి చూపించబోతున్నాను.
హాయ్ అండి, అందరికి ఎలా ఉన్నారు? నేను మీ బ్రదర్ షఫీని మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. మీరు ఈ కరోనా వల్ల ఇంట్లోనే ఉండాలి, కాదని బయటికి వెళ్ళాల్సిన పని ఏమన్నా ఉందా మీకు? తప్పకుండా వెళ్ళాలా? అలాంటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ముఖానికి మాస్కులు వేసుకోవాలి, చేతికి గ్లౌజులు కూడా వేసుకోవాలి, శానిటైజర్లు వాడాలి. లేకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది? ఏం జరుగుతుంది? కరోనా అనే మహమ్మారి ఒకటి బయట ఉంది. మనం ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు బయటికి వెళ్తే మింగేద్దామా అన్నట్లు చూస్తుంది. కావున ఏం చేయాలి? శానిటైజర్లు వాడాలి, ఫేస్ వాష్లు చేసుకోండి, మాస్కులు వేసుకోండి, సోషల్ డిస్టెన్స్ పాటించండి.
రాజా బగ్గర్ రాజా, రాజా ఏది రాజా, కరోనా రాజా, బయటకు వెళ్ళొద్దు రాజా, రాజా లాక్డౌన్ పాటించు రాజా. బయటకు వెళ్తే ముఖానికి మాస్క్ వేసుకో రాజా, రాజా చేతి గ్లౌజులు శానిటైజర్లు పెట్టుకో రాజా, వేడి నీళ్ళు తాగుతుండ్రు రాజా, జాగ్రత్తకుంటు రాజా. ఐ లవ్ యూ.
మీ ఆరామవుతామా? బయటకు రామా, బయట కరోనా మహమ్మారి ఉందమ్మా, మహమ్మారి ముందు లేదమ్మా, దానికి ముందు వెళ్తే మాస్క్, గ్లౌజులు, శానిటైజర్ జాగ్రత్త పెట్టుకున్నామా, జాగ్రత్త పెట్టుకొని బాగా వాడమ్మా.
రిలాక్స్. మనం ఏమన్నా కలగన్నామా అమ్మా? ఇలా కరోనా మహమ్మారి ఒకటి వస్తుంది, మనల్ని ప్రాణాలతో పట్టి పీడిస్తుందని. రిలాక్స్. లాక్డౌన్ పాటించండి. బయటికి వెళ్ళాల్సి వస్తే మాస్కులు, గ్లౌజులు అన్ని వాడందమ్మా. రిలాక్స్. ఆరోగ్యాన్ని కాపాడుకుందామమ్మా. రిలాక్స్.
ఈరోజు కరోనా మహమ్మారి ఒకటి బయట ఉండదు. గవర్నమెంట్ లాక్డౌన్ పెట్టింది. మీరు బయటికి పోతా ఉండాలండి. అయినా ఏం జీవిదా, ఏం చెప్తావు? మాస్క్లు వేసుకోండి, చేతికి గ్లౌజులు పెట్టుకోండి, శానిటైజర్లే వాడు అంతే జీవిత. నేను అదే చేస్తా ఉంటాను, నేను జీవిత, మీరు కూడా అదే చేయండి. ఏంటి మీరు బయటికి వెళ్తున్నారంట? ఏంది మీరు తిన్నామా పడుకున్నామా తెల్లారిందా అన్నట్లు ఉండాలి. కాదు అని బయటికి వెళ్తే కరోనా వస్తుంది. వెళ్తే వెళ్ళారు కానీ ఫేస్ కి మాస్కులు వేసుకోండి, చేతికి గ్లౌజులు కూడా వేసుకోండి, శానిటైజర్లు కూడా వాడండి. నేను నా మధు కూడా అదే వాడుతున్నాం.
ఏటేటేటేటేటి కాదు, ఏటంతనేటి కాదు, బయట కరోనా ఉంది నీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. అదే ఎందుకు వెళ్తున్నావు బయటికి? వెళ్ళవు కదా బయటికి, అయితే వాకే కాదు. బయటికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ముఖానికి మాస్క్లు వేసుకో, చేతి గ్లౌజులు వేసుకోరు కదా, వేసుకొని వెళ్ళు.
మరి ఈరోజు చూస్తే మన దేశం పైన కరోనా మహమ్మారి కూడా పుట్టి మన దేశానికి వచ్చి ప్రపంచంలో అన్ని దేశాలకు కూడా ఇది ఈరోజు వ్యాపించి ఈ విధంగా ఎలాడిస్తా ఉంది. దీంట్లో ఎలాంటి అతిశయోక్తి లేదు. కానీ ఈ రోజు కొన్ని వందల మంది కాదు, వేల మంది కాదు, లక్షల మందిలో జనాభా చనిపోతా ఉన్నారంటే దానికి ఒక కారణం, ముఖ్య కారణం లాక్డౌన్ అనేది పాటించకుండా బయటికి వెళ్ళడం, తిరగడం ఇలాంటివన్నీ కూడా జరుగుతూ ఉంది. మరి ఈ రోజు ఎంతో మంది అతిశయోక్తి కాకుండా లాక్డౌన్ పాటించి దీన్ని ఫాలో అయినారు కాబట్టి చాలా గ్రామాల్లో ఇంకా కరోనా అనేది అసలు తాగను కూడా తాగలేదు. కానీ బయటికి వెళ్తా ఉన్నారు. మీ అవసరాలు ఏదైనా ఉండొచ్చు కానీ ఫేస్ కి మాస్క్ వేసుకోండి, చేతికి గ్లౌజులు పెట్టుకోండి. అదే మరి శానిటైజర్ కూడా వాడండి. మరి మన మానవత్వంతో, మన వ్యక్తిత్వంతో, మన యొక్క దృఢ సంకల్పంతో ఈ వైరస్ ని దూరం పెట్టాల్సిందిగా కోరుతా ఉన్నా. ఇదే వైరసే కాదు, ఏదొచ్చినప్పుడు సరే భారతీయులు మనతో ఒకటే ఉండాలి అని చెప్పి తెలియజేస్తా ఉన్నా.
కరోనా మహమ్మారి మన దేశానికి వచ్చి ఎంతమంది జనాభాని పట్టి పీడిస్తుందయా అంటే దీనికి వైరస్ అనేది దీని వ్యాక్సిన్ లేదు కాబట్టి మనం భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం తెలుస్తూ ఉంది. ఎందుకయ్యా అంటే అందువలన వైరస్ లేదు కాబట్టి ఒకరి నుంచి ఇద్దరికి వచ్చి ఇద్దరి నుంచి అదే విధంగా ఎక్కువ రెట్టింపు అవుతా ఉంది కాబట్టి తగు జాగ్రత్తలు తీసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. మీరు బయటికి వెళ్తుంటే పరమశివుడికి పరమ భక్తితోటి మీరు నమస్కరించి ముఖానికి మాస్కులు వేసుకొని చేతికి గ్లౌజులు వేసుకొని శానిటైజర్లు వాడండి. ఎందుకు వస్తుంది మహమ్మారి? రాదు. కనుక పరమశివుణ్ణి మనస్ఫూర్తిగా నమస్కరించి పూజించండి.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. లాక్డౌన్ గురించి
Excellent, Manoj. Manoj from mechanical.
Chandu, madam.
What is name? Sorry.
Chandu.
Sorry. Chandu from mechanical. It is an excellent talent what you have. Yes, sir. Okay, so within half a day he made this one and he has given, sir. Actually, when we asked. So he is very active and we have to use him in a proper way. That's what my request actually. Yes, sir. Sir, anything you want to tell, Suresh sir?
Is it over now?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
How to? Yes, sir. It's almost over. What of thanks only?
Okay, madam. Actually, will it be on air means through WhatsApp group or some radio channel will be dedicatedly given for us, madam?
Yes, sir. Actually, yes, sir. How we have to use this radio means we have to download Unify apps. Unify app we have to install in mobile, and in that Unify app, if you search our college name, then our college logo will be coming. Where all the posters are being arranged, what are the shows we are going to make and all the things. And today also they have planned. Today itself we are going to start now, sir. So first program is about national education policy, sir. Actually, one show they have prepared, and once it is getting approved, we can keep it on air, sir. Actually. But we have to approve this. So the monitoring committee is HOD's committee. So they used to send whatever the show they make, they'll send to our group, and if we give approval, then they'll go for air. This is what the regulation has been made, sir. So we have to request all.
Okay. we have shared that, no, madam, new higher education policy which have been.
Yes, sir. I didn't share. Because they didn't complete it yet. So
Yes,
if
yes,
they have
madam. It is
completed,
a
I will.
draft note.
Yes, sir. Yes. I will share it now. And evening time, some Raksha Bandhan program also they have prepared, it seems. That also, once if you go through it, and we will keep it on air, sir. Actually. And that information we can pass to others also, like to management also. So if they have to install app, and if they see it anywhere else, they can listen our shows and all the things.
Madam, you share this Zoom videos, madam, so that we can share it to all three management.
Yes, sir. Actually, one channel has been created, sir.
Not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. YouTube channel has been created, sir, in the name of GKC Campus
You
Radio.
can post it on that.
Yes, sir. In that it will be there, and that link also will be given.
We will share those links to the other two members who are not there on live today.
Yes.
That's why.
Yes. So on this occasion, I would like to thank all the team members, because extraordinary work what you have done is really, we didn't expect this much contribution from you students. Hats off to you, all the people, all the team. Because the communication was excellent. In WhatsApp itself, we people have communicated, and everything immediately people have done, and really I'm getting goosebumps actually, because in this lockdown period, people even in college time also we may not have done this much nicely actually. So everything you people have prepared, and your audio editing team, graphic design team, creative team, all the teams actually they have done. Not only RJ team, everybody have worked. Okay, so 100% contribution we have got from you guys, and we all are proud of you. And ఇది ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇంత expectation we are getting more. Okay, so starting itself you have done this much nicely means then the program ఎలా ఉంటుంది అని ఒక expectation వస్తుంది. Okay, so it's your duty to maintain that and maintain the tempo, and you have to broadcast in a very nice manner. Okay, and you have to satisfy the expectation of others. Okay, now really I'm eagerly looking forward to see your presence, to see your broadcastings and all. Okay, so make a very good program, and మనకు ఒక quality ఉంది, మనకు responsibility ఉంది. Our responsibility and quality we have to maintain. Just like that program చేయవద్దు. Okay, so program చేసినందుకు ముందు ఇది సొసైటీకి యూస్ అవుతుందా? Okay, what is the cause behind it? All the things you have to think. And ఏదైనా చెప్పినప్పుడు like as they have told, unified team they have told, no, like we should not talk any politics in radio. Okay, so same thing, controversial message ఏమీ పాస్ చేయవద్దు, మీ ఒపీనియన్ ఏమీ చెప్పవద్దు, జనరల్ గా చెప్పండి ఏదైనా. Okay, so this is what our expectation. Do we have unified team members, anybody? Hello.
Madam,
sorry,
let team members share their views, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what I. Sorry, I forgot to ask. Any Mahesh, anybody is available? Unified team members.
Ma'am, actually I'm invited, ma'am, but I don't know they will join or not.
They didn't join. Nobody is there. If people are there, please respond. And you please share your actually and your advice also.
Dear students, whoever are
Abhi sir,
online, you try to share.
Abhi sir, are you there? Abhi sir, please give your valuable message, sir.
Nobody is there in the name of Abhi. Okay, then we will close. We will wind up with word of thanks. Shall we?
Wait a second, ma'am. One second.
Check it once. And team members, if you want to give your feedback or want to speak anything, please. I think Vedita is on mic. Vedita, you want to tell anything? Okay, Mahesh, we have only 3 minutes. Sir, okay, sir, we'll close it actually. We'll hear vote of thanks and we will close it.
Yeah, continue, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Sir, Abhi, sir, is joining now. See, Mahesh, you just tell him like, I'll end the meeting and again I'll start the meeting. You ask him to join.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. Sir, I'll end the meeting, sir. Principal, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes.
Okay, madam. Okay.
Vote of thanks.
No, sir, again you have to join.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Sure. I will join.
Yeah, one message actually has been given by our electrician. Okay, so we will listen that message actually.
Sure, madam.
8:20 అనగా సోమవారం రోజున గోకుల్ కృష్ణ ప్రాంగణ శబ్ద తరంగాలు ప్రసారం చేయడానికి కార్యక్రమాన్ని ప్రారంభిస్తున్న శుభ సందర్భంగా విద్యార్థులకు నా యొక్క ఆర్థిక శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఇలాంటి మరెన్నో కార్యక్రమాలు చేపట్టాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ మీ ఎలక్ట్రీషియన్ చెంగయ్య.
Thank you, Chengaya. And thanks for your affection towards the students community. Okay.
8:20.
Yes.
Now,
Thank you.
now have a vote of thanks from RJ Mahesh, the student coordinator.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good afternoon to one and all. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for the win to all dignitaries assembled here. Me and my teammates and college authority members would like to thank our great Unify CEO Ashoka Kannar sir and Unify team members who honored this function with their inspirational thoughts and trainings for us. And also I would like to thank our beloved principal sir, HODs, staff members, and last but not least our beloved team members and audience for making this function as a grand success. Once again, I thank one and all who present here. I hope all are safe at home. Stay safe, stay home. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. Thank you.
Sir, that's the end of the program, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll end the program actually. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Yes,
for your
Thank you to.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
thank you, students.
I thank
And,
all the student members who have involved in this, madam.
Yes.
Personally, and then in future they have to increase the number of participants so that these people can influence some other else and then they will be included in this.
Yes, definitely, sir. Come, they will be the role model for those. Definitely, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.